So hey guys, so today I picked up something, nothing fancy here, but another nice little touch I feel. But I don't know exactly how I feel about them until I put them on, but I'll show you here what I picked up. It's these valve stem covers. You can see them there. They have the A-Spec logo on them. Now Honda sells these too, but they only sell black and or chrome. These are gunmetal to flow more with gunmetal wheels. And Hondas are $25 and these were $8 on eBay. So I'm gonna try them out. Don't know how they're gonna look, if they're gonna be tacky. But here they are. They look pretty nice. Remember here I had the black ones on. See, it's a pretty good match here. So the black ones flow really good too, just because the valve stem is black, but these are a better match for the wheel. So I'm gonna take these off. Let's see how they look here. The only thing I'm guessing, because they look a little shorter. See, they have a nice little dome here. I don't know if they're going to cover all the little brass there. If they don't, that's something I can't stand. Yeah, and see, it doesn't. So it looks pretty good there, but you can see the brass still is what I don't like. So it looks okay. Like I said, it has a little logo. You can get them that say Acura in the middle or has a little A. They have them for Hondas. But see, that's what I don't like right there. And that's tightened all the way down. So I don't know if I'll be using these. I'll probably be flipping back to the black ones. Only because I definitely don't want the brass showing. And the black ones I have are extra long. And they're high quality cap. I had them on my Accord. If you can see the difference there in size. So see, those blend in so well you can't even see them. It just kind of disappears there. So I like that. Gives it a little bit of a contrast. Tell me what you guys think. And you guys like these things? A little tacky. Part of me thinks they're a little on the tacky side. Having like the word on them. Like I said, Honda sells identical ones. So just want to share that with you guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you'd run those or just keep the black ones. Okay? I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.